What is trading? How trading works, types of trading, and markets explained. Have you ever wondered how people make money by buying and selling currencies, gold, stocks, or even cryptocurrencies? You've probably seen videos claiming that trading can make you rich overnight. But is that really true? Welcome to Xpert Trades. If you're completely new to trading, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll explain what trading is, how it works, the different markets you can trade, the types of trading, and some common beginner mistakes you should avoid. So without wasting time, let's get started. Trading simply means buying an asset at one price and selling it at another price to make a profit. Think about it like this. Imagine you buy 1 gram of gold for $130. A few days later, its price rises to $150. If you sell it then, you've made a profit of $20. The same concept applies to stocks, currencies, commodities, indices, and even cryptocurrencies. Traders try to earn profits by taking advantage of price movements. However, there's one important thing to remember. Prices don't always go up. If the price falls after you buy, you could lose money. That's why trading always involves risk. How does trading work? So how do these prices change? Prices move because of supply and demand. When more people want to buy an asset than sell it, the price usually goes up. When more people want to sell than buy, the price usually goes down. Traders use a broker to access financial markets. The broker connects buyers and sellers and allows you to place buy or sell orders through a trading platform. To make informed decisions, traders analyze price charts, market trends, and news events instead of relying on guesses. In simple terms, trading is about understanding market movements and making calculated decisions, not gambling. What can you trade? There are several financial markets where people trade. First is the stock market, where you buy and sell shares of company. Second is the Forex market, also known as the foreign exchange market. Here, traders exchange one currency for another, such as the euro against the US dollar or the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Third are commodities, including gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas. Fourth are indices, which track the performance of a group of companies, such as the Nifty 50, Sensex, or S&P 500. And finally, there are cryptocurrencies. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, these markets can experience very large price swings, making them more volatile. Each market has its own opportunities, risks, and trading style. And we'll explore each of them in future videos. Types of trading. Trading isn't just about what you trade, it's also about how long you hold a trade. Scalping involves opening and closing trades within seconds or minutes. The goal is to capture many small price movements. Day trading means all trades are opened and closed on the same day, so no positions are held overnight. Swing trading involves holding trades for several days to benefit from larger market moves. Position trading is a long-term approach where trades may be held for weeks or even months. Based on broader market trends, there isn't one best style. The right choice depends on your time, experience, and trading goals. Beginner mistakes. Before you start trading, avoid these common mistakes. Don't begin trading without learning the basics. Never risk money that you can't afford to lose. Don't believe anyone who promises guaranteed profits or claims that trading is a shortcut to becoming rich. The most successful traders focus on learning, discipline, patience, and proper risk management, not on quick money. I hope this video helped you understand what trading is and how it works. This is just the beginning of our complete trading education series here on Xpert Trades. In the next video, we'll explore the different trading markets in greater detail and help you understand which one may be best suited for beginners. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Xpert Trades, leave a like, and share it with someone who wants to learn trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.